Don't forget to watch this video completely if you're planning to buy IQOO Z9s Pro, because in this video I'll tell you about 4 serious problems that some users are facing on this phone after using it for 1 month. IQOO Z9s Pro is a great phone because of its good specifications and reasonable price range, but many users are facing problems on this phone because of the cheap quality hardware that was used by the phone company to make this phone cheap. The first issue that I'm going to talk about is the front camera issue that is faced by some users. As you can see in the video here, the front camera is not working properly. It looks like a software related issue with the camera, but actually it seems like a hardware component of the camera sensor is not working properly. The second issue that I am going to talk about is the auto restart problem that is faced by many users. As you can see in the video here, many people are having phone auto restarting again and again like this. This usually happens whenever a person is not installing a software update properly. But surveys and the people were of the opinion that this is happening because of a motherboard issue and that motherboard has to be replaced. The third issue that I am going to talk about is hanging issue. As you can see in the video here, most people who purchased 8GB RAM variant of IQOO Z9s Pro is facing hanging issue. It seems like the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor is getting bottlenecked by the UFS 2.2 internal storage, which is of low speed. So people who are planning to buy IQOO Z9s Pro for gaming should remember this. The fourth issue that I'm going to talk about is the flickering issue at low brightness. Whenever you're using the phone at low brightness, you can see visible white line flickers like this. This is happening because of the fact that the refresh rate or the frame per second is dropping to 1 whenever the brightness is low. This is a software bug that is happening because of improper tuning of the variable refresh rate system on this phone's display. Most probably a new software update will fix this issue. In addition to these 4 issues, almost all users are facing heating issue and battery drain issue. But I do really hope that IQOO Z9s Pro will work at least for 4 years as how the company claims. If you have anything else to add to what I have said, please mention them in the comment section and I'll help you out as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.